Welcome back. Now we are going to the second numerical in the first exercise of some applications of trigonometry. The question is, a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degrees with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. So first we will draw the tree. Let's say this is our tree. So we have to find the height of this tree. We'll call it as h. Now what happens to the tree? The tree is broken. So one piece is like this, another piece is like this. So it is broken like this. This is how the tree is broken now. Because of a storm, it is broken. Now when it is broken, they're giving us further information saying that it makes an angle of 30 degrees. So here it is 30 degrees. Plus the distance from the tree, that's the foot of the tree, to the point where it touches the ground is 8 meters. This is given as 8 meters. Remember, we need to find the height of the tree. The tree is broken, which means if we call this as h1 and this as h2, total h1 and h2 is the total height of the tree, correct? Because it was standing erect like this, now it is broken. So this is one part of the tree, this is the other part of the tree. Put it together, you will get the height of the tree. This is the understanding. So h1 plus h2 will give you h. So to find the height of the tree, we need to know h1. If it is a right angle triangle, then h1 is opposite. We need to know the opposite. And h2 is the hypotenuse. We need to know the hypotenuse. So we need to find the opposite and the hypotenuse, add them, we will get the total height of the tree. Now to find the opposite, remember we know the base. Now which trigonometric ratio relates opposite and base or opposite and adjacent? That is tan. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. This is tan. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So I can use this tan of 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite, I'll call it as h1, divided by adjacent. Adjacent is 8 meters. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to h1 by 8. How? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So now take 8 on top. 8 by root 3 is h1. So I got h1. h1 is 8 by root 3. Now I have to find hypotenuse. That is h2. Hypotenuse and base is cos. The trigonometric relation is cos. So cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. This is cos. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent is 8. Hypotenuse is h2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is 8 by h2. Why? Because cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Now cross multiply 8 into 2, 16. So h2 will become 16 by root 3. This will go on top, root 3 will come down. h2 is 16 by root 3. So I got h1 and I got h2. What is the height of the tree? Height of tree. Height of tree is h, which is h1 plus h2. So height of tree is 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3. Denominator is the same. So 8 plus 16, 24 by root 3. 24 by root 3 can be written as 8 into 3 by root 3 because 8 into 3 is 24. Now 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 because root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. So I can write this as 8 into root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. So root 3 will get cancelled. Therefore, I have the answer height of tree. Height of tree h is equal to 8 root 3 meters. Only 8 root 3 is left out. Height of tree h is equal to 8 root 3 meters. So first we will take the height of tree as h. When the tree breaks, one part of the height is here h1, the other part is the hypotenuse h2. Now opposite and base, how to relate? Tan theta. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is h1 by 8. h1 is 8 by root 3. Hypotenuse and base cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So cross multiply, you will get 16 by root 3. Add both of them, 24 by root 3. 24 is 8 into 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 will get cancelled. You're left out with 8 root 3. So answer is 8 root 3 meters.